Hi there, hello everyone. We are going to see how to install Google Chrome over uh, Ubuntu operating system. So for that I'm going to start with the new version. Let's see how we can do it. For that I need browser. I'm going to drag and drop some browser. This is Mozilla browser, as you can see over here. I'm going to type google.com and wait for Google to come. After that I'm going to um, start searching for Google Chrome on Ubuntu. So you can see over here it shows me a lot of details or searches available here, but I'm going to Google Chrome desktop version. So, and this is an official website for Google Chrome. You can download Google Chrome for Ubuntu operating system. So let me show it to you once again. It's you have to skip the first links. You can see it's ask Ubuntu or how to geek and Google Chrome dot up to date down and everything. So I'm going for official website of Google. So okay, so here it is. Fine. So you might get these listings ups and downs depending on your area from where you are searching. So just keep in mind that I'm going to google.com. Fine. So you can read all these information from here, how fast it is and how it can be operated, how can it work for you, and blah blah blah. But I'm going something upstairs and going to start Google Chrome, download it. But before downloading it, let me see over here and tell you that it supports Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, OpenSUSE, etc, etc, etc. So this actually is suitable for my operating system. So I'm going to download it, and it asks me what type of versions do I need. For Debian or Ubuntu operating system I need deb file, or for Fedora and OpenSUSE I need RPM file, that's Red Hat Package Manager. But as you can see, my version is Ubuntu. I'm going to accept. Okay, you can read these terms and conditions if you like it. They are user friendly, and a lot of versions are also said in some way. If anything is contradictory, you can just omit it or do not install it. Anyways, going to download this Debian package is going to download approximately 48 MBs of data. You can see over here, but I think I already downloaded it. So let me show it to you. Okay, so I'm going to files. After clicking on files, it shows me this menu. You can see it over here. From there I'm just clicking on downloads, and from downloads I'm just clicking on these deb files which I already downloaded from Google Chrome website. I'm just going to double click it. So after that I'm going to wait for a minute or so that it loads in Ubuntu Software Center, and then I'm going to install it. Click on install button and just wait for some time so that it gets installed. So you can see over here it asks me to install or remove. You need to authenticate it. I don't mind authenticating it. You can also read some details over here if you like it. Fine. And then wait for some time to get installed, and after it gets installed I'll be back in some time. Okay friends, as you can see, I think it has got downloaded after coming back from certain versions. I'm going to minimize all these things for you people. Let's see if it's downloaded or not. Chrome. So you can see over here Google Chrome is now downloaded and installed. It's so simple and easy. You do not have to use command line arguments or any of the such things. You can see over here, make Google Chrome the default browser, automatically send. You can choose whatever you like, but right now I'm just going to use both of them. But instead of making a default browser, I'm just going to click on statistics versions and send the automatic versions, and here you go. So your Google Chrome is ready to run on your operating system. You can also test it. Let's see Google, or you can see yahoo.com, so as to make it sure that it's working or not very cumulatively. Okay, so you can see over here the websites are now getting loaded. Why I just tested it is because we should know if it's working or not. Fine, so it's working very cute and nice way. And thanks for watching this video for all these queries. If you have some certain more queries, just do let me know. Thank you all. So as we have seen how to install Google Chrome on Ubuntu operating system, we are also going to see how to install Opera browser over Ubuntu operating system itself. So the problem is that why install Opera browser is because some of them are Opera lover also, and they need Opera browser on Ubuntu operating system. So we are going to install it, and let's see how can we do it. I'm just going to show it to you two different ways. The first way is by going to google.com. After going to google.com, I'm just going to type download Opera browser. Fine, I'm just clicking enter, and you can see it over here. It's going to give me this link, and after that you can read all these requirements if you like it. There are 3 versions available, as you can see over here. I'm just going to click it on download now, and then it's going to show it to me that these things are available. Also, one more thing, that along with the version number, it automatically detected my Linux operating system and the 64-bit of version of my operating system, and also it provided me Debian file. So DEB stands for Debian. You can click on save file, click OK, and then it will download file, which I have already done it, so I'm not going to download again. You can see over here, after double clicking on it, it will open Ubuntu Software Center. You can just click on install button and it will start installing, but due to somehow, I don't know why, it stuck to my operating system, so I'm not going with this method. Rather, I'm just going by terminal. If you get stuck, use this method. Fine. Okay, so I'm just also going to paste this commands on description also, so you do not have to worry about how to install it. I'm just going to paste it, so don't worry. I'm also showing to you this my first command. You can pause it and read it at your glance. Fine. I'm just going to type password. Okay, I don't know what happened. Okay, so it's done, I think so. The second most thing is this, the second command. I'm just going to paste it over here. So it actually updated and downloaded something things, I don't know what. Fine, but it says okay, so I'm okay with that thing. So now I'm just going to type sudo apt get update and just going to click OK. It starts updating my entire repository from internet, and you can see it over here. I think it will take quite a while to do all these things. Just you have to wait for some time so that it can do all these stuffs. So let's see what happened. You can see it over here. It has been configured multiple of times, and shows me a lot of lists. So if it has been already configured, I do not have to take it worry. And then I'm just going to type it. I don't know, because I might have tried it multiple times, so it's me in this way. I'm just going to type it sudo apt get install opera, and I'm just going to click yes for it. So it's going to download approximately 20 MBs of data. And let's see. After it gets downloaded 17 to 20 MBs of data, it will require additional space of approximately 58 MBs, and it will install its entire browser over my Linux. So after doing all these things, we have to just play with Opera, and it will be over here in some time. Fine. Okay, so until it gets downloaded and it's done, I'm just going to pause it for some time, and we'll be coming back in some time. So wait for a minute or two, I'll be back. Okay, so as you can see it over here, it has downloaded certain packages of approximately 17 MBs, and now it's getting Canonical to download it. It's also downloading Flash plugins to work in this Opera browser. So this is also a positive point, that Adobe Flash Player is also getting downloaded, so that it works in a good way. Fine. So if you are surfing YouTube or watching videos online and everything, Flash plugin is its own way. So both the things are done in a quite good manner. Once again, I'm just going to pause it, because these Flash player will take quite a while, approximately 27 MBs of data it will download it. So we'll be pausing it for some more minutes, and we'll be coming back. As you can see over here, it's also downloading certain packages from Canonical versions. Canonical is nothing but it will be some non-free versions of websites which are actually available over the internet. And so you can see over here, it's getting installed. Already Opera has been unpacked and installed. This is what's happening is installing Flash plugins so that Opera can get updated. Let's see if it has been installed or not. Opera. So you can see it over here. So you can see it over here. It's not available over here because the problem is that I haven't logged out and logged in back. It's going to come after I get logged out and logged in back, but for time being, I'm just going to open it by a command prompt, just typing in Opera, and you can see it over here. It's asking me for license agreement. I'm going to click OK. I agree. Do not worry if the icon doesn't comment over here, because for time being we haven't logged out and logged in back, or either we have to restart your computer, or you can just log out and log in back, and to refresh the entire desktop icons over dash. So it's going to come in. Okay, let me drag and drop it over here. So here your Opera is. Fine. Let's try by typing Google and yahoo.com. Let's see if it's working or not. And you can see it's time for an update. You can also update your browser if it might happen that my browser which has got installed has not been updated. You can update it. You can see it over here. Google has already been opened, and Yahoo is getting opened. And I'm just going to close this thing. This is your menu, and here we go. The entire Yahoo is on its way. Fine. I hope so you have enjoyed my entire video, and we will be looking forward with a lot of things coming on our way. Also, one more thing, please do subscribe my video, because I'm working really hard to make it very possible to install all these softwares. And do not worry about the commands that I have fired it up in just recent way. I'm just going to post it in my description, so you can also copy paste it from there itself. Please do watch my videos. Previous videos are also very fine. Do give me some comments and suggestions if you need it, and also do tell me if you require some of the softwares that you need in Ubuntu to be installed. I'll be replying back on comments, or it might happen that I will be making some videos over your suggestions also. Fine. So please do subscribe me. Thank you all. Thank you for watching.